Diamonds, it's Jamequa and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the outline slash blurred effect on your YouTube thumbnail. This will be good for your YouTube channel if you're just starting out. This tutorial is definitely beginner friendly. It's a good way for you to draw attention to your videos. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Let's get right into this video. Turning your ideas into a successful online business can be hard, especially if you don't know where to start or where to continue in your business. But don't worry, I'll provide you with the proper tools to build a loyal clientele. So for this tutorial, we're going to be using Canva, and we're going to select any template. I'm using an old template just for the sake of this video. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this picture and add my own picture. This is what I wanted my thumbnail to look like for my video. I'm going to select it and drag it up and resize it to fit my thumbnail. And we are going to hit the position button and put everything backwards so that the title of the thumbnail can show. And then I just duplicated it. I'm going to hit adjust, and then I'm going to adjust the blur of the picture. Then we're going to go to effects and remove the background for our outline image. And then once we have our outline, we're going to apply that. Once we have our outline image, we're going to create a glow and adjust it. We're going to bring it over our blurred background image and make sure that it overlays exactly where the other picture is. Then we're just going to adjust the outline. Again, I like to use white because it stands out, and you can adjust the size, transparency, the blur, and the color of the outline. Hit apply and download and save it as a PNG. And that is how you can add the outline slash blurred effect to your YouTube videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later.